How to connect TikTok to Facebook. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to connect TikTok to Facebook. First, launch the TikTok mobile application and go to your profile. This step is very important. After that, copy your username by long pressing on it. After it has been copied, open the Facebook mobile application, just as you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. Next, tap on the menu. It is this option that appears here. This is the menu of your Facebook account. On this page, there are various sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on your profile name. It appears in the top section of your account. Once you do that, you will land on your Facebook profile page. Next, tap on the profile settings icon. It is this icon here with the 3 dots. You will land on the settings of your profile. Here, there are many options that you can use to make changes to the settings of your Facebook profile. From them, make sure you tap this option here named Edit. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this option named Links. Next to the option, tap the button named Add. This other page appears. Here, you can either add social links or website links. From the 2 options, tap this one here. After that, this other page appears. Here, you are supposed to choose the platform you want to use. Go ahead and tap here. From the list of social media apps, make sure you look for and tap on TikTok. After that, you have to paste your TikTok username in this field. So, since we copied the username moments ago, we can just paste it that easily. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to connect TikTok to Facebook.